Smart Water, the largest independent irrigation company in Victoria. We specialise in all things irrigation. We have 4 divisions: design, supply, installation and maintenance. Smart Water covers all facets of irrigation. We design the systems, we can supply the materials from all the leading suppliers, we can put the irrigation materials in the ground, install the job properly to very high standards, and we can also maintain and service systems all around Victoria.
Smart Water are leaders in irrigation design due to our staff. We use the latest CAD software. Our certified irrigation designers maintain their professional development, talking to suppliers, keeping up with the latest updates and specifications to create a highly uniform, water-efficient irrigation design. Having that initial consult to understand what their expectations are, we can take all this information to put together a preliminary irrigation design, which can be used for coordination with other services and to make sure that the client's happy with what we've produced. Moving on from that point, we move into more of a detailed design phase, putting together some construction drawings so the installer can see how it goes together, putting together some watering schedules and valve schedules to make sure that it fits within a specific water window. Smart Water offer the design services to a wide range of clients, including local government, landscape architects, irrigation and landscape installers, commercial developers, and residential clients.
Our 2 retail outlets are located in Melbourne, one in the eastern suburbs servicing the east and southeast, and one in the west which services the west and the north. We have a comprehensive delivery service with trucks on the road all day, every day, delivering products to all of our trade and retail customers. We supply the best quality irrigation materials from all the leading suppliers. We only supply quality equipment at really red hot competitive prices. We also have an online e-commerce store where we're supplying product all around the country. Our installation division, based out of our head office here in Rowville, cover all facets of installation of irrigation systems, from your smaller residential systems all the way out to larger commercial projects such as reserves, sports fields and the like. Our installation team are all certified or working towards certification to make sure they remain highly trained and up to speed with the latest irrigation installation practices and technology. Smart Water have a maintenance division servicing irrigation systems all across the state. We service all types of irrigation from both systems that we've installed and for existing systems for clients. Preventative maintenance can really help to stop issues from occurring that can end up being quite costly in terms of money and then also in regards to water usage. When we do maintenance on irrigation systems, we also report on potential issues and efficiencies. We do full system audits where we can go back to the client and advise on any issues that have been noticed with the system and ways to rectify those problems. End-to-end solutions to make the whole process simple for you and deliver on time and on budget. We have the people and the knowledge and the experience to deliver on all things irrigation. Whether it's a large commercial property or a residential garden, we shall be your first choice for all your irrigation needs.